Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the wild world of tech purchases. Today, we're diving into the electrifying realm of power supplies. Yes, the unsung heroes of your gaming rig. We'll be comparing the Thermaltake GF1 2024 and the CORSAIR RM650. It's like Batman versus Superman, but with fewer capes and more cables. On the left, we have the Thermaltake GF1, a beefy 850W powerhouse, and on the right, the CORSAIR RM650, a lean, mean 650W machine. Grab your popcorn, folks. It's going to be a shocking showdown. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Thermaltake GF1 comes in at a price of $109, while the CORSAIR RM650 is a wallet-friendly $89. Reviewers appreciate the value of the GF1, stating it's a great alternative for the price with a gold efficiency rating. Meanwhile, the RM650 is recognized for being budget-friendly and efficient, making it a solid choice for many builds. So if you're looking to save some cash while still getting a reliable power supply, the RM650 might be the way to go. Now, let's get down to business with efficiency. Both of these beauties are 80+ gold certified, which means they're about as efficient as your friend who claims to be on a diet but can't resist a slice of pizza. The GF1 boasts that it's ready for Intel C6, C7 states, and ERP compliance, which reviewers say contributes to its reliability and low noise levels. On the other hand, the RM650 is Cybernetics Platinum certified. Reviewers have noted that this certification enhances its efficiency and performance, making it a top contender for those who prioritize power efficiency. So if you're looking for the creme de la creme of power supplies, the RM650 might just have the edge. Next, let's talk about noise levels. The GF1 features a Smart Zero fan that minimizes noise, which is great if you don't want your computer sounding like it's trying to take off like a rocket. Reviewers have highlighted its quiet operation during gaming, making it a suitable choice for those who value silence. Meanwhile, the RM650 has a 120mm rifle-bearing fan, which keeps things quiet even under full load. Reviewers confirm that it operates quietly and doesn't become overly loud, making both options solid for a noise-free gaming experience. Time to dive into the guts of these power supplies. The GF1 comes with built-in industrial-grade protections, which users appreciate for ensuring their rig is safe from power surges. Reviewers have praised it for its reliable performance over months of use. On the flip side, the RM650 boasts 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, which means it delivers steady power and performance. Users have noted that it's stable and easy to install, making it a dependable choice for builds running multiple GPU configurations. So if you're looking for reliability, both units are like that dependable friend who always brings snacks to a party, always there when you need them. In summary, both power supplies have garnered positive reviews from users. The Thermaltake GF1 is praised for its value, reliability, and quiet operation, while the CORSAIR RM650 stands out for its efficiency, ease of installation, and stable performance. Both options cater to different needs and preferences, making them worthy contenders in the power supply market. So which one should you choose? If you're into high wattage and industrial-grade protection, the Thermaltake GF1 might be your go-to. But if you want a quieter, more budget-friendly option with that platinum touch, the CORSAIR RM650 is calling your name. It's like choosing between a beefy steak and a gourmet salad. Both are great, but it depends on your appetite. Let us know in the comments which power supply you'd choose and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrifying comparisons. Until next time, keep buying smart and may your cables always be tangle-free.